You can see my screen, right? Everybody can see my screen.
Yes, it is visible.
Introduction to the data science with generative AI. Generative AI. These are the two buzzwords words in the market. Yes or no? What is the difference between data science and generative AI from your perspective? Is this both are same?
It has some differences.
Different or same? Okay. So, see, both are same in nature in terms of taking decisions. The difference was the difference, right? So, see, data science is a extended version, like extension to data science is AGI. This is the artificial intelligence. AGI is the your generative AI. Generative AI. Okay. What is AI basically? Before we go into the AI, we need to understand what is general intelligence. What is general intelligence? Any idea? What is general intelligence? General intelligence exhibit by the human. Humans are humans are general intelligence. Intelligent people. How this intelligence has come? How human became intelligent? Any answers from you guys? How human became intelligent? Any idea? Sorry? Hello?
Communication.
Okay. Because of his observations, learning from mistakes, learning from parents, these all are components making human to intelligent, making human to be intelligent in nature. The process of human needs to be intelligent. The middle process, we call this as a learning. What is this? Learning enables humans to learning enables humans to be intelligent, to be intelligent. to be intelligent. Next, this is general intelligence. Next component is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence. Okay. Artificial intelligence. This applicable to the computers to act as a smarter as possible. So, in this process, in this artificial intelligence, in artificial intelligence, we are providing the data that we call as historical data to learn. So here in terms of computer, learning is nothing but training of a computer. Training a computer. So this in now let us take human, let us take the computer. The common point for the both is the learning. Learning is the common point for becoming intelligent. For becoming intelligent. So now we have something called AGI. Can anybody tell me what is AGI? Any idea?
Artificial General Intelligence.
What it means? AGI is nothing but good, very well said. Artificial
Artificial General Intelligence.
intelligence. Okay.
It
What
is
it
used to
mean? What it
communicate.
mean exactly? Exactly making system to be as intelligent as a human. So AGI is the supreme power to computers such that it can take better decisions. It can take the better decisions. Okay. Now we have now in the world of computations, we have AI, we have general intelligence, we have combined concept called AGI. We have a combined concept called AGI, artificial general intelligence, that possess the both human capabilities and system capabilities, such that system can attain better intelligence. Better intelligence. Are we clear so far here? Till this point, clear? Type 1 in the chat window. Everyone, I want everybody participation. Please. That is a gift you give to any trainer. Okay. So in AGI, byproduct is ChatGPT. What is the byproduct? ChatGPT. AGI byproduct is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the byproduct of AI. Right. In AI, GI, AGI, common point is what? Common point is learning. Guys, are you making, am I making sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Common point is what?
Yes, sir.
Learning. Without learning, you cannot do anything. So learning is a key component to be an intelligent. Okay. So learning is a key area. In a learning, we have different methods to learn. One is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning. Can somebody give me the idea about what is this learnings all about? Answer can be wrong or right. It doesn't matter for me. What is semi-supervised learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning? What is
It's a good learning method where we have gone through or we connect with the peoples like you, sir. So from your side, we'll get a knowledge about supervised learning.
Okay. Okay, good answer. Okay. Learning, sir. First is supervised learning. In the supervised learning is a open book system. We have the story. For the story, we have a questions. Our aim is to Aim to find the best suitable answer. Suitable answer, or it's kind of a open book system. You have both questions and answers. You have both question and answers. Technically speaking, supervised learning is a data with labels. Data with labels. I'll take an example. If you have if you have a jar, if you have a jar, a couple of jars, if the label is given to you in this thing, this is sugar, this is salt, this is pepper. Can you find a can you find pepper? Yes or no? Agree or not agree? Guys, is it easy task or challenging task? Easy or challenging? Guys, tell me, is it easy or challenging? Okay, good. Okay, now next learning is unsupervised learning. Same bottles, same bottles, same bottle. This is the bottle, but no label. Now task is to find the sugar. What we will do now? What we will do now? What will we do? Okay. Now task becomes much complicated because you have three buckets or three bottles. Your goal is to find the sugar. Find the sugar. Now what you need to do? You need to go open each bottle and taste it. Untaste it. This is the one of the, if it is having n bottles, it will take more time, right? It will take more time or less time?
More time, sir.
More
More
time.
time.
So that is what unsupervised learning bit complex compared to supervised. Now, the third piece of it is semi-supervised. It meaning of that, I'll take the same example. This is labeled as a sugar. This I don't have label. The middle one has no label. So now if I want to find it, it's easy for me, right? I'll check this one. Okay, no, it's not a sugar. If I want to find a sugar, it's easy. Not sugar. So I'll see these two and I don't open the both the bottles, right? I'll just go to and pick it up. Semi-supervised is the topmost important learning for AGI. For what, ma? For AGI. Semi-supervised learning is we get the data, your ChatGPT, your Gemini, Mistral, these all are AGI components. AGI components. For to train these models, we need huge volume of the data. But what we have it in a two learnings approach, supervised learning, unsupervised learning. In the both the cases, you need the data. Some will have a labels, data with no labels. It's a mix of both combinations. We are giving it to the system to understand the patterns. To understand what, ma? Patterns. So heavily we all dependent on data. If data is good, responses are good. Answers are also good. This is the one of the fact. Another learning is reinforcement learning. Any idea about reinforcement learning? Guys, any idea about reinforcement learning?
Sir, as a machine learning, we go through like machine learning.
Everywhere learning is happening. Okay. What is the reinforcement learning? Reinforcement learning is a popular technique since long time, which uses the which uses the which observes from the environment, observation from the environment. Example is example to talk now. One is robot, self-driving cars, and chess. These are trained on the reinforcement way. It meaning of that it takes the feedbacks from environment and behaves accordingly. One small example I want to tell you. A kid, when he start learning, cycling, when he start cycling, first he may fall down. Next, he understands the way he cycling is wrong. So next time he won't do the same mistake. So reinforcement learning learns from the mistakes. Learns from mistakes is in the form of rewards. In the form of what? Rewards. If model does good things, it is in a positive reward. If model does bad, it's a negative reward. Clear? Okay. Now the thing is learning. Supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, reinforcement learning. Supervised, data with labels. Unsupervised, data without labels. Semi-supervised, some of them have labels and some of them no labels. Reinforcement learning, it learns from the mistakes. It learns from the these are the four pillars of AI. Four pillars of AI. Guys, clear till this point? Type 1 in the chat window.
Yes, sir.
Clear, everyone? Okay. Now, how this traditional, what is the rule-based programs? Rule-based programs and AI-based programs. These are the two ways to design the applications. Now, in a rule-based, rules will be given and the data will be provided. So, you will get the answers. You will get the answers. What is the problem with the rule based? What is the problem with the rule based? Any answers, please? Any answers? Problem with the rule based? Problem with the rule based?
We need to focus on learning the syntaxes and all for different languages.
Okay. The major problem with rule based is maintenance of a rules. As as an as and when data increases, rules gets increases. It will be very tedious task. Tedious task to maintain the rules. Maintain the rules. Maintain the rules. Now, now scientists are decided to have a system that automatically generate the rules instead of writing. So that is a different approach followed in AI. Followed in the AI. Data and answers will be provided. System responsibility is to generate the rules. Which task is easy? Above one or this one? Guys, which one is easier? Which one is better learning? Which one is better programming?
Below one only.
Below one is the better programming. So, in AI approach, we need to provide data and questions. Which learning it is, ma? Supervised learning, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So you have the data,
Yes.
you have unsupervised. So learning. So overall, a system is said to be intelligent. A system is said to be intelligent when it learns the patterns. When it learns the patterns. So here, right, we have seen the intelligence types. We have seen the learning types. Learning types. Life cycle of a AI projects. Right? Life cycle of the AI products. AI projects. What is the life cycle? First, it starts from the data. Starts from the problem statement. It starts from the problem statement. Then, once problem is defined, we need to get the relevant data. Here there is two sayings. Well-defined problem is 100% solution. Here also one saying, garbage in equal to garbage out. Second step, when you get the good data, you will get the good results. Third, choose algorithm or a model to train on the data. Training on the data, what will reflect, Nana? So it will brings you the pattern identification. Pattern identifications. Pattern identification. Then evaluate results. Here, once model is trained, we need to understand how the predictions are good. Predictions are good. Predictions are good. Right? Then, so evaluate the results. Then deployment. In this evaluations, we have one more very critical stage. Most of institutes and most of lot of things now they are teaching fairness AI. How fair your model is. How fair your model is. How fair our model is doing good for below factors. A, race. B, gender. C, region. D, high income group. For all this four, right? Your model should predict the same. Predict the same. Then only you will say that these have the different metrics. Huh? This will have different metrics. Different evolution metrics. Okay, not the traditional. Then only we can say our model is good. So that we can put this model into the production. So once production, the traditionally, what will happen to the in traditional way? We do the deployments. AI also we do the deployment. In this, we hardly get error. We hardly get a service request to change. Service request to change the code. Okay. Here in the deployment in AI, if data get changes, model need to get trained. Data science life cycle is data science cycle is in a iterative process. This is in a iterative process. Step 1, data collection, a problem statement. Step 2, model, then evaluate, find the good. If it is model is good, continue. If not, again collect the data, then pre-process it. Model selection, model evolutions. It is a iterative process. Data science is what, Nana? Data science is a iterative process. Data science is a iterative process. Okay. What are the things we are going to teach here? What are the things we teach at iTask? We first we found a we'll build a foundation for programming. It means that basics, oops concepts, most important is DSA. This is most important. If you don't know data structures and algorithms like linked list, stacks, queues, trees, graph, you cannot survive in the world of AI. This is what we'll call it as the programming foundation. If time permits, I'll teach the design patterns. I will also teach the design patterns. This is the programming foundation. Next, we will go to the math foundation. complex AI does not dependent on statistics alone. So here the most important concept of math foundation is linear algebra. Linear algebra, calculus, then next is statistics. Order is correct only. This is less priority. Less priority. You don't believe me. One thing if I say now, because of matrix multiplications, the only matrix multiplication made Google business in 1980s by Larry Page. Okay. So linear algebra exists since long time. I don't know why people for data science perspective, why they have given much hype to statistics. I don't know. I don't want to comment on that aspect. It means that you can understand they didn't work on AI, surely. Okay, then we will go to the algorithms, ML, DL, NLP, Gen AI. Then we will talk about fairness of AI. Then we talk about ML ops. Finally, we will give a project of all topics. Big project, live project of 6 use cases. You will be building. You guys will build the 6 use cases. How it will be doing in office environment, how the organizational way. You have to follow the same rules. We do the following we create a ticket, we assign the ticket, you need to close it, you need to assign, you need to review it. Everything will happen like a real-time projects. Okay. Clear? Guys, clear or not clear?
Yes, clear.
Any doubts? Okay. Clear. Thank you so much. So we will continue the same session tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow also we'll have some introduction. We'll talk about large language models and everything. Okay.
How I have one small doubt. How many
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Tell me doubt.
duration of the course? How many days?
3 months.
Okay, timings is convenient to us, or maybe is a scheduled time.
7 p.m. to 8 p.m.
This one only.
Hmm.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.